Hello, crypto traders. Today, I will begin a systematic explanation of Chan theory. If you can follow along with my video, you will definitely have a clear understanding of complex price charts. I want to emphasize that Chan theory is not only for cryptocurrency trading, it can be used to analyze any financial market that can be represented with candlestick charts. Additionally, I do not care about the audience size of my video course, but I believe that as long as you watch attentively and patiently, you will realize what technical miracles are. In previous videos, I mentioned several definitions of Chan theory. These definitions may have seemed blurry to you before you fully studied Chan theory. So, starting today, I will begin explaining according to the course sequence of Chan theory. Once you learn, you will understand the operating principles of the trading software I recommended earlier. Especially, if you are a beginner, this is the best for learning Chan theory. Alright, let's begin. The first lesson, Chan theory's definition and division of lines. If you are observant, you will notice that the way I draw trend lines in my previous videos is far different from any traditional method. Yes, after watching this episode, you will understand why I draw lines this way. Line is the most basic component of trend decomposition and is the cornerstone of structural analysis. It is important to mention a new concept here, trend decomposition, which is the core application of Chan theory, and this will be discussed later. The purpose of dividing lines is to ensure sufficient volatility range, exclude trends with insufficient volatility, and ensure that lines have sufficient magnitude and strength. Standard for dividing lines, evening star, ES, plus independent K-line plus morning star, MS, emphasis, ES and MS should not have overlapping or even touching K-lines. Conclusion, between ES and MS, there must be at least one independent K-line. In actual candlestick charts, you will encounter many instances where adjacent K-lines exhibit this pattern. We call this the containment relationship between K-lines. Special handling is required when dividing lines, recombining the K-lines that have containment relationships to form a new K-line. It is essential to note that when a line is in an uptrend, the containment relationship of K-lines is upward, and vice versa for a downtrend. Why do we handle K-lines in this way? The goal is to establish the line. According to the standard for dividing lines, between ES and MS, there must be at least one independent K-line. Next, let's divide the lines using an actual price chart. On the 5-minute chart of Bitcoin, starting from the lowest point on February 12th, between MS and ES, there are many K-lines and no touches, thus the line is valid. Moving forward with line division, we continue to look for MS and ES, encountering a situation like this. Should we divide the line now? No, because ES and MS have clear touches, thus the previous line needs to be redivided, like this. Continuing the search, we divide the lines like this. Finally, within this visible range, the lines are divided in this manner. Additionally, the zones that I frequently mention can also be delineated. Okay, that concludes today's first lesson. If you can persevere and continue watching, I can confidently tell you that you will gain immensely. This is a course for individuals with strong willpower. This course is not easy, but once you learn it, miracles will happen. Thank you, and if you wish to continue learning, please remember to subscribe.